folks at Huawei sent us at VR Zone a copy of the Huawei Mate RS Porsche design for an unboxing and review. This $2,000 phone needs little introduction. After Huawei's hugely successful launch of its flagship P20 Pro line earlier this year, it collaborated with Porsche Design to deliver what might be the most exclusive production phone of 2018. The rather large box of the Huawei Mate RS Porsche design opens to yield the phone itself and an exclusive-looking credit card-size authenticity certificate. Interestingly, the phone is officially branded the Porsche Design Huawei Mate RS, which certainly guarantees its luxury pedigree above all else. Your next hint at the luxury involved with this phone lies beneath the foam. You're spoiled with a ton of accessories, 2 adapters for Europe and UK or Commonwealth mains, along with 2 USB-A to USB-C cables. Also included in the box is a pair of earphones with a USB-C termination, so you can forgo the dongle if you want. Apart from the usual manuals and paperwork in the box, there's also a sweet Porsche design flip case for your new phone. Closing the case reveals a translucent panel on the outer edge that allows the always-on display to be seen through the cover. The Porsche design Huawei Mate RS has external dimensions that are quite different from the flagship Huawei P20 Pro. This comes as no surprise since the phone was actually designed by Porsche Design and isn't simply a rebadged Huawei phone sold at jacked up prices. Porsche Design focused on symmetry on this device, and it's a beauty to behold. On the rear, the triple camera array is noticeably located and arranged differently. However, the Leica setup is similar on both devices, sporting a 40-megapixel main camera, along with a 20-megapixel monochrome and an 8-megapixel shooter. On the front, the Mate RS doesn't have the notch design seen on the P20 Pro, and also has a slightly smaller 18:9 display at 6 inches diagonal. Both phones have beautiful AMOLED displays, though the Mate RS has a higher resolution. Under the hood, however, is where the differences disappear. Both are powered by Huawei's unique high-silicon Kirin 970 chipset that boasts an octa-core CPU. They also use the Mali G72 MP12 GPU, which is another differentiating factor from most of the field. With 256GB of storage upgradable to 516GB, the Huawei Mate RS Porsche design has one of the largest capacities available on mobile phones. Huawei has also implemented many unique features found on board the P20 Pro on the exclusive Porsche design phone. An on-screen fingerprint sensor also lets you easily unlock the phone without having to key in your password when your phone is on the table. While the design is the main difference on a Porsche design Huawei Mate RS, the phone certainly conveys luxuries in more ways than one. Everything from the presentation to the experience of using the phone felt premium. Huawei's UI was perfectly decked out to convey automotive themes, which worked great with the full leather case, which is reminiscent of car interiors. Nonetheless, it's still a $2,000 phone, and it's still a stretch for anyone to fork out that kind of money for a mobile phone. What is your dream phone? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Ian, and thanks for watching VR Zone Unboxing. See you in the next one.